In this video, I'll show you how to make a picture fill an entire page in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. In my example, I'm going to be doing it on portrait. If you're doing it on landscape, just make sure your image is also landscape. You can change to landscape by clicking layout and then orientation. All the other options and settings will be exactly the same. With your image now in your document, select it once. You'll notice the dials around it. Then we're going to look for this image. It's the layout options. Select it once. Then we're going to navigate to behind text. This will put the image behind the text over here. Once selected, select your image and then we can drag it over. Then we can start to position it on this page. When resizing your image, use the corner dials. These will keep the image proportions correct. So I'm just going to drag until I'm satisfied, and then I can slightly position the cow until I'm happy with its layout on the page. I'm now going to navigate back over to this page, and then I'm going to press backspace on my keyboard to remove that second page. So if you're like me, you will have noticed now the text is quite difficult to read. We can actually improve this by changing the transparency of the image. To do this, click your image again, then click Picture Format, then navigate to Transparency. From here, you have some presets, and as you navigate through them, it will cycle through the different transparency options. For more detail, click Picture Transparency Options. In the side panel, you've got Transparency, and here with the dial, you can adjust it accordingly until you're happy with the result. Once you're happy, click Close, and now you have the image behind the text and it covers the full page. If you're planning on printing it, remember your printer must support borderless printing. Even though it looks correct here, if your printer doesn't support borderless printing, there will be a white edge around your document when you print it. So just double check with your printer settings first. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about working with pictures in Microsoft Word, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.